This is Kai.
This is Toshi. This is B.
And our group is called 2U, and we're from North Carolina. Actually, Conover, North Carolina. We started 2U in 1997.
How'd you get involved in the band?
Oh man,
the group?
I was with my brother down at the party too, and Kai was there, so I told my brother, come on, he's here. It's a chance right now to prove it to him, So we did, we did a little thing. He was impressed, He was pretty impressed. I mean, it's not like, wow, y'all the best, y'all number one, I need y'all in my group. It's not like that. It's just that, he thought we was pretty good. He gave us a chance. Here we are.
Nobody ever been up close with us before. Nobody really know who 2U is, and we're doing a music video to let you guys see a good image of us. Making this video is probably gonna help us out, help the community out to understand what's Hmong music videos all about. And one of the messages that I guess we're trying to bring out to the young is just that, if you have talent, don't be scared of showing it, Like, every opportunity you get, you have to take, and you can't expect a dream to come to you.
The other way, keep it real, come a little closer, we'll jump into the bathtub. Thinking back to the time where we first met, how you lighted up my world with just one smile. You walked my way, but I never thought that I'd start having these feelings for you. Damn girl, you be looking hella fine every time you walk past by. I catch the elegance in your eyes. How could I get with you when the homies want some? Will I be this fool? Will I get to prove to you I lost you to my boy and now he's holding you? Every time you look my way, I still see the one in your eyes. Now I could only stare from afar, cause you're holding someone else in your arm. In my heart, you will always be the most beautiful girl in my eyes. Every day, every night I see the way he's treating you, sometimes even abusing you. Found out he was cheating, so you started playing too. Got too deep in his game, you began drinking half the time, getting drunk. Don't remember which guy's talking to. Yo, he don't need you, he don't love you, appreciate you. It's time to act right, don't hesitate. Lay your head on my shoulder, everything is gonna be okay.
I want you,
I want you.
I need you,
I need you so bad.
If I kiss you, I can't turn back.
I just can't, baby.
So baby, I'm
sorry.
Got to leave tonight.
I see you.
Thì she cứ chỉ kia có vấn đề cùng chia chỉ tao có hoa sa kê tê lo bùa con ê cu sa có con đi mua ê cu thế lấy chi bỏ con nhớ hầm nữ
thought 下，你是故一刻个问题。